After a group of protesters was caught climbing the Roebling Bridge, 4 of them appeared in court today.
Yeah, so the defendants from the Rainforest Action Network shut the bridge down for hours and hours. This was yesterday morning, and WLWT News 5's anchor Ashley Kirkland has the developments from court today. Hi there.
Hi guys. Well, Kyle Krakow and Lauren Howland, Margaret Martin and Marcella Largras all pleaded not guilty in a Kenton County courtroom. Now the defendants who traveled here from Texas to hang their banner on the bridge will have to stay while their cases play out.
Lauren Howland.
One by one.
Ms. Howland, you're here charged with wanton endangerment in the first degree. That's up to 5 years in the state penitentiary. Criminal trespass is up to 90 days.
A Kenton County judge read the charges for 4 defendants police arrested for scaling the Roebling Suspension Bridge, closing the bridge to traffic for hours. The protesters were dressed in vests and safety helmets when they climbed the bridge. They put up a large sign with a slogan opposing P&G just before the company's shareholder meeting next week. The second defendant before the judge today was Kyle Krakow.
Charged with criminal trespass, it's up to 90 days in jail. Wanton endangerment is up to 5 years in the state penitentiary.
Marcella Largras, 11/25/1985.
You're charged with complicity to wanton endangerment in the first degree. That's up to 5 years in prison.
Margaret Martin, February 11/1982.
You're charged with complicity to wanton endangerment in the first degree. That's up to 5 years in the state penitentiary.
The attorney representing the 4 asked if Howland could appear for the preliminary hearing via Zoom. The judge denied that request. He also ordered them all to stay off the bridge.
Judge, if I may, you've instructed each of these defendants to stay off the bridge. There's some necessity that they cross the bridge in order to get here.
Not that one.
Okay. You're talking about
the suspension bridge.
Thank you, Judge.
Well, the judge denied Howland's request to appear for her next court appearance via Zoom. All 4 defendants' preliminary hearings will be next Wednesday. Ashley Kirkland, WLWT News 5.